Guys, I'm gonna be listening to some ES alarms that I haven't done. These are, let me check these. These are the okays. And these are the no worries. I already did this one. These are the scaries. And I bet you can subscribe or like this video. Scariest. But first I'm doing okay. Wait, what happened with Denmark? Oh, wait, why was I saying you must eat Oh, that's how that's I don't know what it's saying. What? Okay, let's do it quick. Oh, that's even more weird. But it's okay. Brazil? I might want to check this out. I know it's always the same.
He's my only son. Hello.
What about UK? It's not loud. Canada. Ow. That hurt. Alt. Mock. No. No, not like that. Let's see this. Oh, actual alarm. 0% sure. I am 100% sure this is the real one. Alright. Let me do this. Canada! What is Canada doing over here? Oh, the thing. The next thing. Now for no worries. Ooh, deliver. This is good. Before you say anything about this one, yes, this is Brooklyn Blood Pop. It's reversed! Oh, I didn't know that! Oh! Wait, hold up. I need to say something. Before I say something, before I go to the next one, I just wanted to say that British Virgin Island seriously have a motorcycle sound for their ES alarm. I do not understand. But for now, I'm just gonna go on Egypt. What? Oh! Oh my God! What is this? Oh! My God, that is loud. Oh. Yes! Madagascar is my favorite. Wait, it's the same as the Liver's ES alarm.
Wait a minute, what the hell?
But they don't have the same ES alarm. Sometimes they do. Alright. Yeah. Now I'll go to the scariest. Wait, did I do no worries already? Oh yeah, I did. But I forgot about those two. I don't know what the language was saying, but the thing was like the thing was like the other was like English, and the other one was their own language. Oh. Alright. Let's do it. Scratch my dog. What? Bruh, this is not good. I do not like it. Wait. Oh, I do not like that sound. Oh my god.
Esto no es un simulacro. Esto no es un simulacro.
Oh! Now time for scary. United States is that kind of scary. Oh yeah, United States is scary. What's next? Oh my god. Let's just...
You're my friend now.
Oh. I do not like that. Let's see. Oh! That's really green. That is not what I like. Ice cream truck. Why? Oh! Monster Act. Oh my god. That is not what I want. Oh, I never reacted to this one. Oh! I'll go to the scariest. Okay, I'm on the scariest. Wait, what's this loud? Why is there a volume warning over here? Oh! There. Wait, what's Norway? Wait, why is there Norway doing it? No text. Oh, I do not like that. You can... Oh, that's kind of scary. Oh yeah, that is scary. That is very scary. I didn't do. I haven't done China. Oh. I'm gonna do a was in Fortnite next. computer lag. Oh! Oh my god. Japan. The sound kind of looks, the ears alarm kind of looks friendly. It's not making it scary. Oh, because they didn't want you to panic. Alright. I get it now. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. And also, you remember last time I went to the different Gmod? It was like chaos. And I don't know why I was doing that. And guys, I want to show you something very cool. This is Zero Gamer's flag. Also, this is my flag. And also, I wanted to keep this, so I downloaded it instead. So yeah, that's why I made this. And as you can tell, if you press my flag, it makes their ES alarm. It's kind of scary. But this might make you shocked. But guys, do you want to see something very scary? Zero's ES alarm. You click it, that will appear. Yeah, I think it's kind of loud, but it is loud. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you what I had to do. Bye, guys.